So we got a CRV, and we're gonna do a little bit of an engine rebuild. There are some problems with this engine. I don't know if you guys gonna see it, but there is a hole in a valve right there. Just so the head is gonna go to the machine shop, to the Peter Arwa, and he's gonna redo the head for us. That's the second time the head is gonna be done for some strange reason. We don't know why. Maybe this will matter. There's some scoring on the cylinders, so we're gonna put new rings on it, and well, hopefully that whole goddamn thing is gonna stay together. That engine was done some 2 years ago by our friend, but he didn't do the rings. So let's hope it's gonna be able to get the sucker to work.